This is Naveed Manakoran. I'm a producer and I work with a lot of creators in the digital space. I had a lot of fun chatting with these boys in Taking It Slow podcast. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and please share it with your friends too.
It's a Sunday, you know what that means. It's time to take it slow. और विशु क्या हाल चाल?
यार मेरे तो बहुत सही हाल चाल है, लेकिन मैं आपको एक बहुत सही चीज़ बताता हूँ अभी। ठीक है, आपको पता है कि जब अभिनव बिंद्रा ने गोल्ड मेडल जीता था, ठीक है, ओलंपिक्स में, और नील आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग जब मून पे गया था, वो दोनों लोग ये सब अपना फिएट अचीव करने के बाद दे वेंट इनटू डिप्रेशन। पता है आपको? दे वर लाइक यार मैंने पूरी लाइफ मैंने बस ये अचीव करने का सोचा एंड नाउ
अब तो
आई
कर
हैव
लिया।
इट, है ना? तो अब मैं क्या करूँ लाइफ में? क्योंकि तुम पूरे 24 घंटे ये तो नहीं सोच सकते हो ना कि हाँ मैंने गोल्ड मेडल जीता, गोल्ड मेडल जीता, गोल्ड मेडल जीता, मैं तो चांद पे गया था, चांद पे गया था।
हाँ, एक पॉइंट
लाइक यू
ऑफ
हैव
टाइम
टू
के बाद वो देख के बोर हो जाओगे उसको। हाँ।
हाँ मतलब यू हैव टू लिव योर लाइफ ऑल्सो, और पूरी लाइफ पड़ी हुई है। इट्स लाइक मे बी उनको ऐसा लगा यार मैं पीक कर गया हूँ क्या अभी।
हम्म।
तो हम जो आज गेस्ट लाने वाले हैं, हमने जो बात करी थी पॉडकास्ट से पहले, आई थिंक वो भी ऐसा ही स्टेज से जा रहे हैं। ही इज लाइक कि यार मैं जो
मैं
ड्रीम
पीक
करता
कर
था
गया हूँ ऑलरेडी। हाँ।
कि जब मैं कॉलेज में था कि मुझे यहाँ पहुंचना है, एंड आई ऑलरेडी अचीव दैट,
Yep.
लेकिन अब मुझे आगे क्या करना है।
हाँ,
तो
so
आई थिंक दिस
yeah,
वेरी रिलेटेबल। हाँ
very relatable thing. So we have someone who was a part of our pop culture when we were growing up, and we have someone from AIB who was a pivotal part of all the sketches that AIB put out. We have the head of production of AIB with us today, and he's going to take us through what goes on behind making sketches, and more importantly, like Vishu said, what do you do next when you have achieved your dream?
तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मतलब हम इंट्रोडक्शन करते हैं उनका, लेकिन कि हम लोगों को क्या अभी ये फीलिंग आएगी? क्योंकि हमारा तो कोई ड्रीम है ही नहीं ना कि यार ये मैंने अचीव कर लिया है, मतलब कुछ हम अचीव करना भी चाह रहे हैं लाइफ में।
क्या
पता
achieve
नहीं यार,
करना है तुझे?
लेट्स यार पता नहीं यार क्या, वही तो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम यार। मैं सोचता हूँ कि
तुम्हारी लाइफ में
people
लक्ष्य नहीं है, लक्ष्य।
people are putting in efforts, like they already know what they want to do, and they are putting their time and effort into achieving that.
हम्म।
I am putting my time and effort to get to know कि भाई मुझे टाइम एंड एफर्ट डालना किसमें। आई एम सो फार बिहाइंड इन द रेस ऑफ लाइफ यार, सो फार
नहीं,
बिहाइंड।
ठीक है, अब तुझे पता है तुझे यूपीएससी नहीं करना है। अब तुझे पता है तुझे
हाँ
कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस जॉब नहीं करना है। अब मे बी तुझे स्टैंड अप करना है, मे बी तुझे पॉडकास्ट
मे
करना
बी
है,
मे बी मुझे
मे
ब्लॉग
बी तुझे
लिखने हैं,
फिटनेस
पता नहीं
इंस्ट्रक्टर बनना है, मे बी।
यार। मेरे को ना ऐसे आइडियाज मत दिया करो, बिकॉज यू नो हाउ सीरियसली आई कैन टेक सच आइडिया, like just
Any
for the fun of it.
anyway,
Yeah.
so let's not divert too much from the guests that we have on board. And we had a pretty good conversation. Yeah, we had a pretty serious conversation about the serious and real things that go on behind making those hilarious sketches.
Yeah,
And
बहुत
we
ही
spoke about a varied amount of stuff like AIB disbanding, like uh, the work that he did with Irfan, like AIB
स्टेटस
versus
ऑफ एआईबी, स्टेटस ऑफ
status
एआईबी
of
राइट नाउ।
AIB, and AIB versus TVF जो हमेशा करते रहते हैं. So without any further ado, let's dive right in, people. So, Vishu, when we started this podcast, we had a thought that our podcast will bring a number of smiles to people who are listening to it. And today we are very fortunate to have a guest who has been the reason, in a way, for a lot of our smiles over the last so many years. It gives me absolute pleasure to welcome the head of production of AIB, Navid Bhai, to the Taking It Slow podcast. Hi, Navid Bhai, कैसे हो?
Thank you so much for having me. I don't know if I can take credit for all of the things that you said, but yeah, somewhere I've been a part of a very, cool team that has made a change or made a difference in internet.
नाविद भाई, क्या चल रहा है आजकल? आजकल क्या कर रहे हो आप?
आजकल बस लाइफ फिगर आउट कर रहा है, मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस चल रहा हूँ, तो
वेलकम टू द क्लब, नाविद भाई।
हाँ यार, और मतलब आप आगे मतलब मिड लाइफ क्राइसिस क्या कर रहे हो
आई एम
वो समझने के लिए हमें ये जानना पड़ेगा कि आप कर क्या रहे थे अब तक। तो हेड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ एआईबी, व्हाट डज ही डू?
I will quote a friend who was working with me at AIB. When you say it's a glamorous job, he said producer is a glorified spot boy. Basically, we keep catering to everyone's needs and everyone's wants and whatever is requirements for everyone. बस वो फैंसी टर्म दिया गया है कि ये प्रोड्यूसर तेरा नाम है. हमारे पास कुछ पैसे नहीं होता है, हमको पैसे किसी और से मिलते हैं, हम बस वो पैसे like we spend it wisely and cunningly and to get things done within the budget that we have given. Like there are different levels of producer in India. Producer, I don't think it has a particular definition to it. What is a creative producer, what is a producer, what is an executive producer, and what is an actual producer who puts in money. मैं अगर मेरा केरला में जाके मैं बोलता हूँ कि I work as a producer, everyone thinks that I make money and I put in money.
Yeah.
Whereas
You're funding
it's
it.
not my
You're
money.
funding the sketch.
I put in money, but it's they think that I'm funding it, but actually, as in when it's the company's money or the studio's money which I'm putting in, I'm accountable for others' money. Coming back to your question, I have to start from the beginning where I was an intern at AIB when I joined.
Okay.
When was
and,
this? What year was
it
this?
was in, I think 2015 April. I still hadn't finished my college. I was going through last 2 months or something. Exams वगैरह बाकी था. I joined as an intern, but I continued doing stuff with them. Really liked what the work they've done. Like one of the first videos I worked in with them was for the net neutrality and stuff. So I
nice.
really liked the work. It was very cool for me also to work with them, like at that point of time, and from our college and like from my friend circle. Such a nice young team who makes videos which are very cool on internet. Everyone talking about it. So I stick with them, and then I was an AD. I was I used to do everything, and slowly when I saw there is a gap for a producer in that company, I slowly took it up and I made a team of myself and and others who I only brought in from my college, from my friends, and slowly that's how I made a production team over years.
सही. मैंने वो टाइटल बनाया था अपने लिए.
बनाया था.
सही है ना. बॉस कैसे बनना है? अपने नीचे 5 लोग हायर कर लो, बॉस बन जाओगे.
5 लोग को हायर कर दो. या पहले मैं अकेला इंटर्न था, मेरे अंडर 2 इंटर्न आ गया तो मैं ऊपर हेड इंटर्न.
मैं अब हेड इंटर्न हूँ.
नेट न्यूट्रलिटी पे आपका शुरू हुआ तो नेट न्यूट्रलिटी एक बहुत ही फर्स्ट ऑफ इट्स काइंड एक स्केच था या वीडियो था विच वाज नॉट जस्ट ह्यूमरस बट इट केम विद अ वेरी शार्प मैसेज एज वेल. तो चूज कैसे करते हो किस बारे में बात करनी है, किस बारे में अगला स्केच बनाना है? व्हाट इज द थॉट प्रोसेस दैट गोज बिहाइंड दैट?
No, sometimes it's topical. There are so many things which has been written and not produced. Writers team, like very creative, very sharp mind, who has so many ideas, which half of them you can't execute because some needs a lot of money to execute, some needs a lot of time and effort to do. Also our constraints, na? We have to either have a brand, we have to either have like have that kind of money. With AIB, we never had that kind of budgets, so we used to carefully spend whenever there is something to make. Most of it will be topical. Some of the things which we already know, these are the things which works with us. Like honest series is something which we are good at and we will make it. So for those, we will somehow get a client or a brand on board to like help us with. And some of the series which, for example, the demonetization video or something like that, those are topical. We don't we write it immediately and we pull it off immediately to get those done. So it's a mix of both, and there are so many ideas which we have written. So many, like our writers go like write for 2 months and multiple drafts, 10 to 15 drafts of each sketches, and then only we come to production, of which I would say out of 10, 3 comes to production. Rest 7 are there, so there's still like a bank of scripts which are yet to be produced or which have not been produced.
जैसे writers, after they spend so much of time in writing something and if it doesn't come to fruition, like how do they keep their motivation?
ये तो I have to give it to all of our writers that I've worked with, and like I still know every writer, be it any writer, half of the things they've written has not come out and probably will take years to come out or may not come out. So it's, I think by that is once or twice it happens, then the acceptance of ki हाँ ठीक है, it might come out later or might not come out. I would say कि I've seen a lot of writers who are my friends also to go through the pain of, you know, not getting stuff made after spending so many months and so many drafts of.
But that
Yeah,
is
man.
something that the creators have to live with, na? So just as an
Yeah.
example, uh, uh, we recently had Neil Adhikari on the podcast as well. He is the music director for Little Things, Afsos, and he was saying कि मैंने जो गाने या म्यूजिक बनाया है उससे एटलीस्ट 10 टाइम्स अच्छा जो मुझे लगता है वो मेरे पास बैंक में पड़ा हुआ है, बट कोई सुनने वाला नहीं है, कोई रिलीज करने वाला नहीं है. तो जहाँ पे जो चीज फिट होती है उसके ऊपर
yes,
है.
I've seen the potential of the writers who I've worked with at AIB, and the things that they've written, insane, very funny, so like, you know, so dark and like meta things also. Everything, it's a
Yeah.
like, you know, they're very so good. Half of it has not come out. It's everyone's loss that it's not come out. It's also their loss, also audience's lost.
अरे यार मेरे को एआईबी के बारे में एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन और पूछना था, उसके बाद और टॉपिक पे चलेंगे कि व्हाट इज द स्टेट नाउ, लाइक आफ्टर द बिग नेम्स जिन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था दे लेफ्ट, तो उसके बाद वीडियो का फ्रीक्वेंसीज बहुत कम हो गए थे, लाइक यूट्यूब पे अगर हम
अभी तो
देखें
काफी टाइम से कुछ है ही नहीं.
अ वेरी बिग ब्रेक प्रोजेक्ट केम, चिंटू का बर्थडे, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे, लेकिन व्हाट इज द स्टेट नाउ, लाइक व्हाई आर नॉट एज मेनी वीडियोस कमिंग आउट, तो क्या है उसका सीन एज अ कंपनी का सीन?
There has not been company after it shut down. I don't think any video came out, and right now as such company hai nahi. Everyone has been working as freelancers, and some of them have joined other companies and stuff like that. So I don't think any videos will come on the YouTube channel.
तो मतलब फॉर ऑल प्रैक्टिकल पर्पसेस एआईबी मतलब हो गया, मतलब क्या?
I would only quote the statement that we have last put out, saying that like for foreseeable future we are not doing anything as such.
सैड है मतलब. सो वी प्रैक्टिकली ग्रू अप विद एआईबी. मतलब आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द
मतलब ठीक है,
पीपल
हम अपनी एज थोड़ी कम बोल लेते हैं.
not grew up मतलब we came of age with AIB. मतलब हम लोग जो जिस तरह का ह्यूमर देखते हुए हम एकदम बचपन से बड़े हुए थे, we found adult humor, we found humor that could relate to us. हमारे लिए भी कुछ content था, and AIB had a very big role in making us aware, shaping our sense of humor, so to speak, and it
had
is
a very
sad.
big impact on the
comedy scene.
pop culture
Yeah.
and comedy and all that. For me also it's the same. I am also amongst you. When I also was, you know, knowing internet, I also got to know a lot of things because I worked with them, because I knew them. I also started consuming the content which is like AIB's content. I had no clue about digital space whatsoever. I only knew films, and I had no clue about like the digital space and everything. When I was in the second year of MBA, a friend of mine introduced me to the podcast, which was AIB's podcast, and then I understood ki, oh, this is, and somehow I landed up with them. Like for you all, same. It's the same for me also. Like I've also grown up. My pop culture also has grown up, or my knowledge of things have grown up along with how they have made content and grown up.
हाँ, हमारे कॉलेज टाइम में तो एकदम से शोर मच जाता था कि अरे एआईबी का वीडियो आ गया, तो सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के अब अगले 15-20 मिनट के लिए वही देखेंगे बस, फिर अगले 3 दिन तक उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. मतलब इट वाज अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर पॉप कल्चर, सो टू स्पीक. इट वाज आवर पॉप कल्चर उस टाइम.
एंड वो लाइक व्हेन यू गॉट इन्वॉल्वड, वो भी कितनी सही फीलिंग होती होगी ना, व्हेन यू सॉ के व्हाटएवर यू मेड वो इतना ज्यादा टॉक अबाउट, इट इज बीइंग टॉक्ड अबाउट सो मच.
I was very active on Facebook and stuff like that. So I
Right.
like, you know, I had so many friends on Facebook and Twitter and all. And I could see whenever a video releases, I don't have to tell. People are just sharing those videos on their Facebook, on their like, you know, WhatsApp groups and all that thing. Feel very, you know, it just feels you so much
कितना सही
validated
बनाया.
like for the instant. No, when the video comes out, हाँ, ये तो मैंने काम किया इस पे और कर रहे हैं सब. What keeps you going, ना? That is what makes you work as much as hard you can.
वर्क अच्छा लगने की बात पे आई थिंक दिस द बेस्ट सेगवे टू चिंटू का बर्थडे. कि how did
Yeah.
that project come about? And मतलब वो शुरू कहाँ से हुआ? इतना बड़ा project must have been the biggest project that you guys did.
Before you start,
Chintu,
fantastic
basically,
work, yeah. मतलब amazing, मतलब hats off, brilliant.
थैंक यू। यार चिंटू के बारे में तो ऑलरेडी तन्मय ने और बाकी लोग ने ऑलरेडी इतना बोल दिया है इंटरनेट पे कि कैसे बना है पिक्चर। इट हैज अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी। फॉर मी इट वाज आउट ऑफ
Yeah.
नोवेयर वन फाइन डे आई वाज आस्क्ड कि do you want to produce a film? Because Tanmay earlier used to, like, he used to ask me ki, where do you want to go ahead? What do you see
Right.
ahead and stuff? I want to get into films and stuff like that. तब भी उसने बोला था कि अपन produce करेंगे picture. Because that time we were having an idea of getting into studio business and, like, getting into films and stuff through First Draft. We were like, basically we were getting people to write and we were teaching them and slowly get those made through us only. So First Draft
Oh,
was
nice.
the best possible project we worked. It just didn't happen because unfortunately so many events happened and it couldn't continue,
Yeah.
whatever. But getting into movies is their next thing, or getting into long format is their next thing. So this was one great idea which they only figured. And one fine day they decided to produce Chintu, which was Satyanshu and Devanshu's project, and they only were rewriting and directing it. So I got a chance because I think at that point of time I was handling all the things at AIB very, upar se, and wanted to make a film within 18 days, within one studio,
Okay.
and with very little money. So the idea was to create a film or make a film with as much as love and effort that we put into our digital videos, but in a bigger scale. The very first movie set I have gone to or I have been to is my own movie set. I've never been in a movie set before.
Yeah, that's the perfect start for a
The
producer यार
very
नावीद आप क्यों सोच रहे हो एजेंसी में जाने का?
yeah, the
Yeah.
very first मेरा तो फट रहा था कभी सोचा नहीं था इतना स्केल और इतना it's a lot of pressure when you have
Right.
so many, like, you have all national award winning and award winning
विनय
crew
पाठक वहां पे सामने
members
खड़ा
working
होके
with you,
हाँ
and they all are coming with so much experience and so much this thing. The last thing you want is something to go wrong, and it still had its own problems. It was very hard for our crew was also very small. Like we were all first time filmmakers, to be honest. Like even the
Right.
directors and me and my team, everyone, for every one of us, it was like a film school. That this film was like a film school. We learned a
Yeah.
lot by doing this film. Get
क्या
that
क्या
in
प्रॉब्लम्स हुआ
practice.
था? थोड़ा सा अगर आप डिटेल में बता सकते हो, थोड़ा इलैबोरेट कर सकते हो, किस टाइप्स के प्रॉब्लम्स फेस कर रहे थे आप?
So we had so many things. No, we had international actors coming in. We had child artists coming in from some part of the country. Like, we had everything ready, but like, we had planned it for 4 months. 4 महीने से हम लोग prep कर रहा था.
Okay.
Costumes हो गया, art हो गया, characters का training, everything. We have been prepping it for the last 4 months so that everything should fall in place and everything should fall smoothly and go according to the plan. Last minute में set तैयार नहीं था shoot के एक दिन पहले. तो क्या फायदा अगर लोगों को बुला के सबका डेट्स लॉक करके सब कुछ मंगवा के सबका सब इक्विपमेंट्स मंगाया, सब कुछ किया, बट सेट तैयार नहीं है तो कैसे शूट रहेगा? Still we managed somehow to make it not look very bad, but and go within the time.
You are
without
saying
any
that you managed to not make it look
hiccups,
very
I would
bad
say.
is the understatement of the century, dude. मतलब इतना क्यों अंडरसेल कर रहे हो यार? बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर बनाई है भाई. इतना मत अंडरसेल
नहीं,
करो.
I mean, for all
Yeah.
of us, we all put in so much time and effort, and and like for all of us, it was a very special project. And when it was supposed to be released, something unfortunate happened, and like because none of our fault, it just happened to be shelved. But with time, we all forgot it and like moved on. फिर बाद में आया, अच्छा रिसेप्शन मिला,
सही
सबको
है.
अच्छा लगा. We all were happy with what people liked it and how people liked it, and thankfully it came online, and I think
Right.
that was a big thing for us. कि हाँ ठीक है अभी देख लिया, नाउ वी गॉट द ड्यू क्रेडिट दैट वी वांट.
now is long form storytelling की आप बात कर रहे थे कुछ टाइम पहले, that the next step up from the sketches was long form storytelling, and you had also started working towards that. Just a casual question, long form storytelling उस टाइम पे TVF का फोटे बोलते थे लोग जब मैं कॉलेज में था. AIB used to come up with 15-20 minute sketches and TVF used to come out with series, episodic series. तो ऐसा कुछ उस टाइम पे होता था क्या कि यू यूज टू कीप एन आई आउट ऑन TVF किस तरह का काम कर रहा है? बिकॉज हमारे यहाँ पे हमारे कैंपस से बहुत चलता था AIB वर्सेस TVF, AIB वर्सेस TVF. ऐसा कुछ उधर भी होता था क्या?
AIB versus TVF. Yeah. AIB versus TVF was mainly because of the sketches. Because what TVF did was, after a point, they immediately moved into the long format. They knew what they wanted. They wanted
Yeah.
to get. They wanted to get the long format basically get into web series immediately, and they started churning out content. So I mean, obviously there were comparisons between AIB and TVF, but हमारा तो उस time पे I would say was not very conflicted with this, but like our fans were very conflicted about AIB versus TVF and
Yeah,
like you know
yeah.
that, YouTube. But I think what we did at that point of time was to put all our effort and time and resources into TV show.
ऑन एयर था ना?
Yes,
AIB
so
on
we
air.
were on air with AIB.
हाँ.
AIB
and,
on air था.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we, I think, उस time पे what these guys saw was to jump into TV, and what TVF saw was to just jump
Yeah,
into
digital-
web series and
digital platform.
develop more content. Both were very different directions for us. We were looking into some other direction. They were looking into some other direction. Over internet, people would always say AIB versus TVF, which we were okay with because we were not actually doing anything related to web series at that point of time. And like our idea was also to have very like less people and less. I wouldn't say we would want to have such a huge office with 150 people and like to have that kind of content generation business at that point of time. उतना priority नहीं था हमारा. हम जो कर रहे हैं वो वही अच्छे से
मस्त कर रहे
करो.
हैं.
The small crew, small minimum team. Yeah, that's it.
स्पीकिंग ऑफ जो कर रहा है वो मस्त कर रहा है. प्यार एक धोखा है क्या था? मतलब कैसे क्या हो गया वो? मतलब एक मीम से शुरू हुआ था एंड
Yeah, that's the social
what did
media.
it blow up to?
I would say internet and its wonders. The social
Yeah.
media team they also keep doing this. They've done this before also. It's not like the first time they've done it. Such a good catchphrase and such a good
Yeah.
you know what you say, and obviously singles का emotion है कि ये you get to do something which is anti but which is also cool. When it started getting attention, they very smartly diverted it into a campaign and an event which like it is
सही है.
randomly made and we made an
मैं
event
आपको
and
उसका
people
रीच का
turned up.
पावर बताऊं.
Yeah.
I know a person who flew in from Kolkata to attend that. I know a person personally. मतलब वो मेरी काफी अच्छी दोस्त है. वो कोलकाता से आई थी वो अटेंड करने के लिए बॉम्बे. मतलब that was the level of madness it was.
Okay. I feel for that person.
Yeah, he was really feeling the emotion of
ब्रेकअप हुआ था क्या उसका?
वो मेरी भाभी बनने वाली है बहुत जल्दी अभी, तो शाउट आउट टू यू यूट्यूब दीक्षा. सो गेट अ लाइफ यार, गेट अ लाइफ.
Wow, we had no idea that it would blow up so much.
थोड़ा सा एक सीरियस नोट पे मैं टर्न करता हूँ. You've obviously seen your fair share of controversies, issues that have cropped up. आपने अभी खुद ही बताया there used to be such a close knit team which has now disintegrated. Everybody is trying to find their own path. So from your personal point of view, how difficult is it mentally to sustain your mental balance, if I can put it that way? मतलब बहुत कुछ हो रहा है चारों तरफ and you are not able to do anything about it. बिना you are also experiencing it for the first time as a layman. Sanity कैसे maintain करते हो? Still, how are you able to be creative? How are you able to do your job in the middle of all this nonsense?
वो तो comments that we put out is basically either political or it used to be either political or opinion in it.
Hmm.
And
Hmm.
obviously,
Hmm.
if we are putting out an opinion, that doesn't mean everyone has to agree with it. If
Yeah.
tomorrow you write an opinion about how drinking water is overrated, there will be 5 people who will write ki no, fuck you. This is
या
You
Yep.
are
मैं तो बहुत
wrong.
पानी पीता
And
हूँ,
there will be
पानी मेरा प्यार है.
Sad but true.
so
Yeah.
after you put out 3 or 4 opinions like that, then you will be कि हाँ इतना आने वाला है, इतना ये आने वाला है. You will know.
फिर कभी कभी ऐसा भी लगता होगा ना
We
कि इस बार
had our
गालियां कम
fair
पड़ी तो
share
काम
of
अच्छा नहीं किया
stress
क्या?
also. That's
सही
also
में.
true.
Yeah.
And coming back to your question, how do you, if you're asking about the things when it happened when we were working, we had our share of stress. You know, there were times where the office was shut for multiple weeks. After it dies down, we like tend to come again and
Hmm.
slowly start over and get the stuff rolling again. It became a cycle for us. Every year, some or the other things happen, and we call it a
Hmm.
yearly week off. Basically, we all we all
सही है.
get to chill for 2 weeks or 3 weeks because because
To
office
lay low,
shut
to lay
and
low.
there is nothing that you can do.
घर
Yeah.
वालों ने कभी बोला उसके बाद कि यार तुम ये सब क्यों कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, ये सब मत किया करो?
मेरे घर वाले को पहले पहले नहीं पता था कि मैं कहाँ काम करता और मैं क्या करता था. A few of my cousins knew, and they seemed to be really, excited about things. My mom and dad would be like, everyone seems to like them, so he must be doing something good. That seems to be a very good validation for them.
या
So
क्या पड़ोसी
whichever
अगर बोल रहे
outside
हैं
person comes and tells them,
फादर को,
कि यार
या
अगर पड़ोसी बोल दे फादर को कि हाँ तुम्हारा बेटा अच्छा करे, बस यही चाहिए.
मतलब
यही
पूरा
चाहिए.
इंडिया
वो
मतलब
क्या
ऐसे
कर रहा
ही
है वो सब
कनेक्टेड है
पता
ना.
नहीं.
हाँ, इसी चीज से कनेक्टेड है पूरा इंडिया. पूरा हर एक इंसान रिलेट करता है
क्या
इस चीज से.
क्या बना रहे हैं, किस टाइप का कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, वो सब कुछ
कोई
नहीं.
फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
They are just like, हाँ.
Navid, so
Yeah.
if I am a 12th standard student today, I want to become a producer, I want to get involved in the business. What is your advice to me कि मैं क्या करूं आगे अभी?
So there is no particular course to be a producer. You just need to know the basics of the stuff. And like, so for a student of 12th grade, they should know something about, like, how things are made. And if they are, like, really into it, they should try and get into a degree course which has any kind of media exposure in it. And a lot of people goes for BMM who wants to get into this stuff. In other Viscom, which is Bachelor of
Okay.
Visual Communication,
Hmm.
and to
Right.
have some kind of basic knowledge of media or basic knowledge of filmmaking, you don't need to necessarily go to a film school. It can be an art course also. Not necessarily you have to go for a visual communication or stuff like that, which will have a background knowledge or a support in back. And once you think you are equipped, immediately start working with the people who are in the industry. Try and meet someone who would take you under them and teach you how to be on set, what to
So
look
how
at,
do you meet
and
such
stuff
people?
like
How
that.
do you reach
The
out to
best way
such people?
best
How do you
way
get
is to
internships?
learn. I got internship out of my luck and sure, I would say luck, but also sure will that, like, I want to work with these guys. So
Hmm.
I would apply
Hmm.
and I would get into this. Like if you can randomly cold call, you can email them, you can message them, you can find their number and just tell them. Anything in production is only learnt by doing it. There is no formal course, even though there are some stuff which you should learn and know. There is basic budgeting. So basic hai. So for that, you should try and do either of the BMM or a visual communication or anything as such. Apart from that, everything should be learned while studying the course, doing things with
हाँ,
your
जो
friends,
कि बेसिकली आई थिंक सबके साथ ही होता है कि
doing
मतलब कोर्स में बस बेसिक्स होते हैं एंड असली लर्निंग तो फिर जब तुम
On the
करना
job
शुरू
ही
करते
होती
हो
है.
and while
ना तुम्हें रियलाइज होता है
doing those,
कि या
So I wouldn't say without learning you can directly go to set and learn stuff also. No,
कि
you
मैं
need to
मुंबई
know the
जाऊंगा
basics. You need to know
और
the
वहाँ पे
technique.
बड़ा आदमी बनूंगा. सही.
नहीं, वो तुम बिल्कुल मत सोचो वैसे। थोड़ा बेसिक्स तो सबको जानना चाहिए। ये नहीं सोचना है कि उनको सिर्फ लोगों से बात करना है और डील्स क्रैक करना है और वो सब। ये सिर्फ वो नहीं होता प्रोडक्शन। देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ पेपर वर्क्स इन्वॉल्व्ड, बी इट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स, बी इट budgeting, be it auditing.
Navid bhai, just to wind up, we have a small segment that we like to call slow takes. It is the
Okay,
exact opposite of rapid fire. हमको आपसे instant जवाब नहीं चाहिए. We like to
sure.
ask our guest someone and thought out थोड़ा slow type का answer हम लोग expect करते हैं. You might have worked with
Okay.
Irfan Khan during the party song that you guys did, and
Yeah.
so what are your memories
Yeah,
of
yeah, I
him?
was.
What are your memories of Irfan?
Fun video was my first big video with AIB, and also I was ADing to Vasan Bala. So I was assisting Vasan Bala as an assistant director and also assisting producer to Vikram. Obviously, ये तो स्टार स्ट्रक मोमेंट है ही क्योंकि तुमने पहली बार देख रहे हो उनको और उनके साथ।
Yeah.
तो बट ही इज वेरी लाइक ही इज अ वेरी जेन्युइन हम्बल ह्यूमन एंड उस टाइम पे we all became a fan of him because first of all I know कि ये project, like I was a fan of him when he said yes to the project. A
Yeah.
lot of others who said no, who
Nice.
came on board, who did prep with us and last moment saying ki, no, we can't do this, we can't do this. He was that cool that he said yes and he was giving full support and he was helping us कि ऐसे से भी करते हैं, ऐसे से भी करते हैं।
हाँ.
वो तो उसको 10 सामान ला के दिया हमको बनने के लिए। You know that kind of उस टाइम से ही फैन बन गया कि भाई ये तो like you know
Legend आदमी है.
this is a true gem kind of a person. From others, unlike others, like who comes and who gives us key, okay, these are the requirements and these are the things which we need. Unlike that, this was very chill. It didn't feel like we were shooting with a star. Like we have shot with a lot of stars, but it didn't feel like we were shooting with a big star. He made sure that we don't feel like that. And also, he's also like us in the industry where he's not against establishment basically. So I think he also liked AIB for the very thing which AIB was. For that reason he was like तुम लोग के लिए कुछ भी, and I feel like he has done that multiple times. Like when
Yeah,
we
yeah.
wanted to, we did meme rewind video.
Yeah.
I think he just came. He knew that like these guys will do something fun. He was ready to do whatever we asked him to do.
And that's despite the fact that he's probably the biggest star globally that the industry has produced. I mean, he was probably the only bona fide
Yeah,
actor who
I would
was
say.
well accepted in Hollywood and all the international movie scene as well. He's the biggest global superstar that we have produced.
Like I can't tell you how big a deal was it working with Irfan for us. Like it was insane for us also. It was like for a lot of us who was working in the projects, like not for Tanmay and all, but like for a lot of others who were working in those projects, it was, I think, two of the most biggest moment for me while working with stars in AIB. One was Irfan and the other would be Shah Rukh. Yeah.
नवीद भाई बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करके यार, मतलब दिल
भाई
से
real
थैंक यू
talk करके
आपने
यार.
Thank you.
इतना टाइम निकाला आपने हमारे लिए, मतलब दिल खुश हो गया कसम से, बहुत अच्छा लगा
No
आपसे बात
worries.
करके.
No worries.
थैंक यू, जेन्युइनली थैंक यू, आपने
हाँ,
बहुत टाइम
मजा
निकाला
आया.
हमारे लिए. आई होप आपको भी मजा आया होगा, इतने बोल रहे हो
No
आप.
worries. No, I had fun.